Welcome to our revolutionary AI tool designed to make assessment creation a breeze for teachers. Let's dive into how it works. Firstly, start by entering essential information for your custom assessment. Specify the assessment type, grade level, subject, learning objectives, estimated time, difficulty level, and the number of questions. Once you've entered these details, click Generate and let the powerful AI take over. It crunches the data and generates an assessment tailored to your specifications. Now, take a moment to review the assessment. You have the freedom to make any necessary changes directly in the intuitive text editor provided. Need further tweaks? No problem. Enter your specific requirements in the input box under the AI's response and click Regenerate to get a revised version. Once you're satisfied with your assessment, the possibilities are endless. Export it as a PDF or simply copy it for immediate use. Teach smarter. Use Help Me Teach.